paper squishy vending machine. I thought this was a myth. I'm gonna have to try this. Okay, guys, so I just found this paper squishy vending machine. I had to check it out. So, right here it says paper squishy vending machine. It has this push button. You push. A Pop-Tart! This is a blue raspberry Pop-Tart. What? I'm so lucky today, guys. Okay. Let's do it again. Okay, let's see what else we get, okay? Let's push it. Another Pop-Tart? We got a Pop-Tart strawberry milkshake. Now this is good. What should we get next? Okay. Oh, it's not coming out. I see something. Oh. Looks like a strawberry. Still going. We got a Haichu. It's a candy. This is my favorite candy ever. It's so slow rising. Look at this, guys. Do you see that? This is such a good find. It's almost the size of this. Wow. Okay, let's see what else we get. Okay. Okay, let's push it, guys. You ready? Okay. We got a pumpkin cookie. Look at this, guys. Wait. It's a snapper cookie, too. This is so good, guys. Well, I love this. Okay, I'm getting some really good stuff right here. So, let's see what else we get. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Is this a simple dimple? It is! This is not paper squishy, but this is still amazing. I've always wanted this. This is my dream fidget. Wow. Okay, this is amazing. Wow. Okay, I can't believe I got this. Let's see what else I get. Okay. 3, 2, 1. What is it? It's a pancake bear! I've always wanted the squishy. It's so good. Look how good this is. It has a little egg on it. I think with this, it's like pepper on it too. Ooh, this is so good. We're so lucky today, guys. Let's see what else we get. Okay, 3, 2, 1. What is this? I think this is a boba straw. Oh, wow. This is so squishy. And slow rising too. This may be like really little, but it's still really good. Wow. I can't believe I just got this. This is so good. This is totally worth it. So we're keep on getting small ones. We only got like one big one. This Haichu. But other than that, we only got small ones. Hopefully we get one more like big one. Because this is gonna be our last squishy. Okay. I see something. Come on. Still going. Still. This is a big one too. I just said I want a big one. 3, 2, 1. It's a Reese's. It's Reese's peanut butter cups. This is so good, guys. Wow. And it's even like, let's see. It's a little like taller than the other one. Wow, it's not as squishy, but it's still really good. I like the design. So that was all my paper squishes I'm gonna get today. Thank you guys so much for watching. And guys, all these paper squishes I got, I made these for myself. And I made this right here. So let me show you the mechanism, then you guys can be free to go. So, the mechanism. You turn it around. This is a mechanism. I know it's not the best, but it works. So right here, it's this thing, and then that squishy gets pushed out, and then it slides. It's like on here, then it slides down to this little slide and through this part. So it's really simple. It's just like this, like holds it up, and then it goes down. It pushes it, then it goes down, and it goes through here. So yeah, this is how I did it, and yeah, so that's the mechanism. I got it from It's Naomi. Her channel. She makes a bunch of paper squishies. She is so nice and kind. So please, guys, go to her channel and subscribe. And yeah, so thank you guys for watching. Bye.